Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English channel, where learning English is easy, clear, and fun. We're really happy you're here with us today. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alex.
Before we start, let us talk to you for a moment. How are you today? Are you feeling good?
Yes. Tell us, how is your day going so far?
And where are you listening from? Which country? Which city?
Please write it in the comment box. We really love reading your comments.
It helps us feel closer to you, and it helps this learning family grow. So, Alex, how are you today?
Oh, I'm doing well, Anna. It's been a simple day, but a good one. I had some tea this morning and I felt relaxed. How about you?
I'm feeling great too. Today feels calm, and I feel positive. And I'm excited because today's topic is very useful.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is something many people need.
Today, we are talking about real-life speaking situations.
Real moments, real conversations, the kind of English you need every day.
You know, many people study English for years. They read books, they watch videos, but when it is time to speak, they feel stuck.
Yes, they understand English, but speaking feels hard.
They feel nervous, they stop, their mind feels empty.
And that feeling is very normal. Many learners feel this way.
That's why this channel is here. We don't want fast English, we want clear English.
We don't want big words, we want useful words.
We speak slowly, we repeat gently, and we learn together.
No pressure here, no fear.
Today, we will practice English you can use in real life, at home, at work, in a shop, or when you meet someone new.
For example, when you meet a person for the first time.
Yes, this is a very common situation.
You want to speak, but you don't know what to say.
Your heart beats fast, your mouth feels dry.
And you think, what if I say something wrong?
But it's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning.
English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Exactly. And today, we will show you simple ways to start speaking.
Small steps, easy sentences.
Let's imagine a real moment. You meet someone new.
Maybe at work, maybe in your building.
Or maybe in a shop.
The person looks at you and smiles.
This is the moment.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need strong grammar.
You only need simple English.
For example, you can say, hello,
Yes, just hello.
or hi, how are you?
This one sentence can start a conversation.
And when the other person answers, you listen.
You don't rush.
You don't panic.
You stay calm.
Encouraging. This is something we will practice today.
Step by step.
Slowly.
Together.
And remember, if this video feels helpful, please subscribe to Easy English channel.
Your support helps us continue.
And it helps your English journey too.
We are learning together here.
So, take a breath, relax your shoulders, and stay with us.
Because speaking English in real life starts with one small moment.
And one simple sentence. Clarifying voice. Let's stay with that small moment. You meet someone new, you say hello. The other person smiles and answers.
Yes. And then there is a short silence.
This silence feels big for learners.
Very big. Many people think, oh no, what do I say now?
But silence is okay. You don't need to rush.
You can take a breath.
And then you can say something simple, something natural.
For example, how are you?
This question is easy and very common.
Almost everyone understands it.
And when the person answers, you listen. Maybe they say, I'm good,
Or, I'm fine.
or I'm doing well. All are okay.
Now you can answer too.
You can say, I'm good, thank you.
Or, I'm fine.
That's it. This is already a conversation.
Yes, a real conversation.
Many learners think speaking must be long, but it doesn't.
Short sentences are powerful.
Let's imagine another real-life situation.
Okay.
You are in a shop.
You want to buy something
The shopkeeper looks at you.
and says hello.
You answer, hello,
Then you can say, I'm looking for this.
or I need help.
Very simple.
Encouraging, you don't need perfect words.
The feeling is more important.
Your voice can be calm.
Your face can be relaxed.
And if you don't understand something,
You can say, sorry.
or can you say it again?
These are very useful sentences.
Let's repeat them slowly.
Sorry,
Can you say it again? These sentences give you time.
time to think.
Time to listen. Now, let's talk about another situation.
Meeting someone at work.
Yes, this is common for many people.
You see a new person.
Maybe it's their first day.
You want to be friendly.
You can say, hi.
Then, nice to meet you.
This sentence is simple and polite. And when they answer, you smile. Smiling helps a lot.
It makes speaking easier.
And if you want to continue, you can ask a small question.
For example, is this your first day?
Or, do you work here?
These questions are easy.
And very natural.
Sometimes learners feel afraid of questions.
Yes, but questions help the conversation move.
And if you don't know many words,
You can keep it short.
one question is enough.
Remember, you are not tested. You are just talking. Talking is human.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Yes, even us.
The goal is not perfect English.
The goal is connection
To be understood.
and to understand a little more each day.
Let's slow down again.
Okay,
Think about your daily life.
where do you see people?
At home,
At work?
in the street.
These are chances to practice.
Small chances.
One sentence at a time.
And you don't need to speak a lot.
Just start.
Because once you start,
The next sentence feels easier.
and that feeling,
Is where confidence begins.
let's stay with that feeling of confidence. You start with one sentence, then another one feels easier.
Yes, and slowly the fear becomes smaller.
Now, let's talk about another real-life moment, a very common one.
Talking to someone you already know, but not very well,
Maybe a neighbor,
or a coworker.
or someone you see often but you don't really talk to.
This situation can feel strange.
Yes, you want to speak, but you don't know how to begin.
You don't need something big.
You can start with something simple,
For example, hi.
or good morning,
These words are friendly.
and very natural.
Then you can add one small sentence.
Like, how are you today?
This question works almost everywhere.
And when the person answers, you listen.
Maybe they say, I'm busy,
Or, I'm good.
or I'm tired.
All answers are okay.
And you can respond.
You can say, oh, I see.
Or, I understand.
These short responses show interest.
You don't need long replies.
A small response is enough.
Now, let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
You need help.
Yes, this is important.
Many learners feel shy asking for help.
But asking for help is strong, not weak.
Exactly.
For example, you are in a new place.
You don't know where to go.
You can ask, excuse me.
This is a polite start.
Then you can say, can you help me?
Very simple.
Or, where is this place?
You can even point with your hand.
Yes, that helps.
Language is not only words.
Your face, your hands, your voice, all help.
And if the person speaks fast,
You can stop them gently.
you can say, slowly, please.
Or, sorry, I don't understand.
These sentences are very powerful.
Let's repeat them softly.
Slowly, please.
Sorry, I don't understand.
These sentences protect you.
They give you space,
Space to breathe.
space to learn.
Now, let's talk about something emotional.
Okay.
The fear of making mistakes.
This fear stops many people.
Yes, people think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are part of speaking.
Every mistake teaches you something.
And most people don't judge you.
They understand.
They see you are learning.
And many people respect that.
So when you speak, don't stop yourself,
Let the words come out.
even if they are not perfect.
Perfect English is not the goal.
Real communication is the goal,
Being understood.
and understanding others.
Let's slow down again.
Think about today.
Did you see someone?
Did you hear English somewhere?
That was a chance.
A small chance to listen.
Or to speak one word.
And tomorrow, there will be another chance.
And another one.
Confidence grows like this,
Slowly.
gently.
One moment at a time.
And as you practice these moments,
You start to feel something change.
your voice feels steadier.
Your mind feels calmer.
And that calm feeling,
Is where real life speaking becomes natural.
let's stay with that calm feeling. When your mind is calm, speaking feels lighter.
Yes. And now let's look at another real-life situation.
A situation many people face every day.
Talking on the phone.
For many learners, this feels hard.
Very hard. You can't see the other person's face.
You can't read their lips.
And sometimes the sound is not clear.
But phone English can still be simple.
You don't need special words.
Let's imagine the phone rings.
You answer.
You can say, hello?
Just that.
The other person speaks.
Maybe they speak fast.
You can slow the moment down.
You can say, sorry, who is this?
Or, can you speak slowly, please?
These sentences help a lot.
And if you need time to think,
You can say, just a moment, please.
very useful.
Let's repeat it slowly.
Just a moment, please.
This sentence gives you control.
Now, another real-life situation.
Small talk.
Yes, short, friendly talk.
This happens everywhere.
In an elevator.
At work.
In a waiting place.
Many learners think small talk is useless.
But it is very important.
It helps you connect.
And it helps you practice.
You don't need deep topics.
Simple topics are best.
For example, the weather.
You can say, it's hot today.
Or it's cold.
Very easy.
Or you can talk about time.
It's a busy day.
Or it's a long day.
These sentences are short.
And very natural.
The other person may answer.
You listen.
You can reply with something small.
Like, yes.
Or, I think so too.
That's enough.
Now, let's talk about listening.
Listening is part of speaking.
Many learners want to speak fast.
But listening is just as important.
When you listen, you learn.
You learn new sounds.
New rhythm.
And new feelings.
If you don't understand everything, it's okay.
You don't need to understand every word.
Just catch the idea.
1 or 2 words can be enough.
And if you miss something,
You can ask again.
you can say, can you repeat that?
Or, what do you mean?
These are brave sentences.
They show you care.
Now, let's slow down again.
Okay.
Think about all these situations.
Meeting people.
Asking for help.
Talking on the phone.
Small talk.
They all have one thing in common.
Simple English.
Calm voice.
Short sentences.
And confidence grows from practice,
Not from pressure.
not from fear.
From small, real moments.
Every day,
And when these moments add up,
you start to feel more comfortable
speaking feels less scary.
and more natural.
And that natural feeling,
Is very close to something important.
something every learner wants,
The feeling that you can speak.
when it really matters. Let's slow down for a moment. Today, we talked about many real-life speaking situations.
Yes, from meeting someone new,
To talking in a shop.
asking for help,
Small talk.
and even speaking on the phone.
All of these moments use simple English
And short sentences.
and calm voices.
And listening carefully.
Let's repeat some useful sentences from today.
First, when meeting someone. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Then, when you need help, excuse me, can you help me? Sorry, I don't understand. Slowly, please. Just a moment, please.
And small talk sentences. It's hot today. It's cold. It's a busy day.
Yes.
I think so too.
On the phone. Hello? Can you speak slowly, please? Just a moment, please. Can you repeat that? What do you mean?
These sentences may be small, but they are very strong.
They help you speak confidently. They help you understand others.
And the most important thing, it's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. They don't mean you are wrong. They mean you are trying.
Trying is very important.
And remember, confidence grows slowly.
One small sentence, one real moment, one calm conversation,
And with every moment, you get stronger.
and more comfortable.
Now, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know, which real-life speaking situation do you find the most difficult? Meeting someone new? Talking on the phone? Or asking for help?
Please write your answer in the comment box. We love reading your thoughts. Your experience matters.
And sharing it will help others too.
You see, every learner feels nervous sometimes, even us.
Yes, even us.
But the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
And the more confident you feel.
So start small. Speak one sentence today, one sentence tomorrow, and slowly your English will grow naturally.
And remember, listening is part of speaking too. Pay attention to simple words. Catch the idea even if you don't understand every word.
That's right. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood and understanding others.
And every time you practice, you are closer to real confidence.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remember,
You can speak English, step by step, day by day.
and we are here with you, every small step, every real-life moment.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking.
And if this video helped you, please subscribe to Easy English channel.
Share it with your friends too. It helps you, us, and everyone who wants to learn.
And most importantly, keep calm, take your time, and enjoy speaking English.
We'll see you next time with more real-life situations.
Keep practicing, friends. Your English journey is growing every day.
You are improving, even if you don't notice it.
And remember, small sentences, simple words, confidence grows slowly.
And every step counts.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and enjoy your English journey.
Bye for now, friends. Take care.
Bye! See you soon, and happy practicing.